falling down also sometimes. Last time one
In Parkinson's, they will not have coordination from brain to the body.
exactly.
Brain will say left, body will do behind.
Because of this acupuncture, it is.
Mouth stopped shaking. You see the change?
Thank you, Doctor. God bless you.
Thank you, sir. It was nice to see you. If any of you out there have any issues like these, please call us, WhatsApp us, or leave us a message. We will get back to you and we will be able to help you get better. Thank you.